Hello, everybody. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening. Um, I'm looking here at a boost pressure sensor. I want to talk, I've talked about this before, but I want to show you that you can have a boost pressure sensor with 4 wires. You can also have a boost pressure sensor with 3 wires. So this is a BMW boost pressure sensor. That B105, the one that is highlighted blue, it is a boost pressure sensor. I know that the majority of us, we are used to the one that has got four wires. I talk about that one a lot. It would have 4 wires when it has got a boost pressure sensor and a temperature sensor. So you'll find that if it has got 4 wires, it will be sharing a ground. If it has got 5, then it will have 2 separate grounds, but which is very, very rare. You'll find it with 4 wires. So here we have one with 3 wires. Okay, if we look at, let me just bring this the ECU here. That's our ECU here. Okay, so all the pins, all the wires, they go back to the ECU. Go to plug A. Okay, we've got plug B here. So it appears this ECU has got 2 plugs. All right, so let me look, let me be sure. Yes, it has got 2 plugs. You have got plug A here that has got 96 pins, and then you've got plug B that has got 58 pins. So to go back to our boost pressure sensor, all of them, they go to the same plug, which is plug A. All right, pin number 1, blue and green wire. Okay, and pin number 3, it's a black and blue wire. And then we have got pin number 2, which is a brown and blue wire. Right. As usual, let me take you through this. So when you have a sensor like this, right, you have pin 1 and pin 2. That's our load there. As you can see, this is the load. Okay, between pin 1 and pin 2. So one of these is a power, and one of these is a ground. This one here, it is your signal. Straight away you can pick it up. It is your signal. Okay, so now all that you need to do to make sure that you know what these ones stand for is just to take one of them and just test it. So if we go to pin 1 and get 5 volts, then we know that pin 2 is the ground. And what I want you to check here, this ground comes from the ECU. It is not fixed ground. It is actually ground right from the ECU. It is, okay, it is from inside. So which means there will be a driver inside this. If I had a BMW, I'll try, I don't know if like a BMW wiring shows you perfectly, you see the drivers inside, but this is auto data. We are thankful for what they have given us, though it's not enough, but you know what, we can get by. So yeah, the reason why they have only 3 wires is that there is no temperature sensor in here. Okay, so they have a temperature sensor as a standalone. Okay, the temperature sensor is on its own. So B193 is our temperature sensor, and you can see that it has got two wires. All right, so it has got a reference voltage and it has got a ground. So between pin 1 and 2, we cannot tell until we test one of these wires. If we test pin 1 and we find 5 volts, and remember, when you are testing with the plug disconnected, you should find 5 volts on the reference. But when you're testing with the plug connected, you will not find 5 volts. The reference voltage drops down on a temperature sensor. Remember that. That is crucial for a technician to remember. Hopefully, this is helpful to you. This is James from Jambro's Electronic Solution. I'm just taking you through wiring diagrams, taking you through different sensors just to share the knowledge, and hopefully this is something that you enjoy. Please drop a comment in the comment box and let me know what you think about these new videos that I'm posting now. But for now, I bow out.